over the wave. Oh my gosh, we're taking on waves, bro. Whoa! Whoa! Definitely don't want to fall in the water with my helmet on.
Look back and watch me smack that all on the floor. Smack that, give me some more. Smack that till you get sore. Smack that, oh. Smack that all on the floor. Smack that, give me some more. Smack that till you get sore. Smack that, oh.
We're sending it. We're sending it across the lake. They don't want it, bro. They don't want it. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Brap Genius, and today I thought I'd bring you a little bit of a different video. Today I'm out here on Lake Apacong. I'm out on a paddleboard, so I figured I'd try something different, you know, expand my horizons a little bit. And for those of you who are curious, yes, I am wearing my motorcycle helmet while I'm out on this paddleboard, so I can't wait to see the looks that I'm about to get from people as I do this. I'm coming from Lakeview Marina, the place that I work, guys, here in Lake Apacong. If you guys want to come get paddleboards or kayaks or rent, we have pontoon boats, we have water sports, we have all kinds of things. So I mean, if you guys get bored and you want to come see me, you want to come hang out, rent stuff, you're more than welcome to. I really hope I don't fall in the water, because if I fall in the water, my whole GoPro and all the footage that I have on this camera is going to be boofed, guys. But yeah, this is my first time really ever paddleboarding. I made it to the end of the dock last time I tried it, and that was about it. So I figured I'd switch it up, and you know, we finally got a nice day. It's been raining so much around here. It rained for the past 8 out of 11 days. This past 3 days are the only nice ones we've had for literally a week and a half. Yo, I felt so bad for customers today, because I told them, I was like, yo, you'll pick this up in 30 seconds. Like, it's super easy. And for me it is. Like, a lot of things I can pick up relatively quickly. But for this one customer, like, he just couldn't get it. I think he was a little too heavy. So, like, he couldn't keep his balance, and, like, he was struggling so hard. He couldn't even make it out to the end of the marina. And so, I told him, I was like, bro, just try and get on your knees. It'll be easier that way. So he did that a bunch of times, then he would try and switch back. And, he just, it was not happening. He fell in. And I felt so bad because I made it sound so easy, and you know, for me and most people it is, but I guess if you're a little heavier set, it's harder because, you know, you don't have different size boards. It's one board fits all. So if you're heavier set, it's not as easy. I'm getting looks from these people, yeah, looking at me like, why is that guy wearing a motorcycle helmet? Here we go, yeet! Over the wave. Oh my gosh, we're taking on waves, bro. Whoa! Whoa! Definitely don't want to fall in the water with my helmet on. Yo, you think I'm on my motorcycle? Nah, bro. Nah. We out here paddleboarding, what's up? I love the looks these guys are giving me, bro. They look so shocked. Like, what is this guy doing? The one guy's sticking his head out to see what's up. Oh, he's gonna try and knock me over too with the waves? Alright, bro. I have to send it to get away from that. I don't need that negativity in my life. I'm not trying to go overboard. I'm gonna send it. I'm gonna race this paddleboard, guys. Oh. Almost sent it too hard. Beautiful summer night. We're not gonna have too many of these left now. By the time this drops, it's August, so we're in the last month, and it's supposed to rain for the next 2 weeks here, so we're already in trouble. That was dope. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Like I said, I want to try a couple different things for you, get out different kinds of videos, so hopefully you guys like this video. If you do me a favor, hit that like button. Hit the subscribe button. I'm gonna have all kinds of videos coming out for you. So yeah, guys, have a great night, because now it's night. Peace.